Hey guys, it's Shirley and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So today is Saturday. It is July 2nd. So happy July. Can't believe we are past 6 months. Half the year has flown by and it's just a wild ride over here. But today we are going to be doing my eBay income. If you're new to my channel, I have been doing eBay since December, like not full-time, but mostly part-time. I've been doing, like, how'd you say, PRN for maybe a couple of months before that, but I really did dove right into it at the end of December, and I have been loving it. I have been selling stuff, and I just enjoy finding treasures that I could flip and resell to new owners, as you can say. But this week, or today, we are going to be doing the June eBay income. Now, May, I didn't post anything and it was fine. Like, I wanted to get rid of some stuff. So we only made $100. And today, for the month of June, our total before shipping and everything was, let me get my pen. I wanted to write in like pink or something. Let's try pink to see if it'll come up. So our total from eBay before shipping, before profit and all that was $263. $263 is how much we accumulated last month in eBay. So shipping cost $93 for us, and it wasn't like the boxes or the bubble wrap or anything like that I already had. I actually buy in bulk from Amazon, and I've had the bubble wrap and the boxes and stuff for maybe 3 months or so. I can't remember the last time I ordered it, but I am due for another bubble wrap order, so we're gonna have to do that. But anyways, enough of that. So shipping was $93, and the shipping actually comes from the person who buys it. I do have my buyer pay for shipping, and I try to price it as low as possible for the mail and everything, because I know I hate paying for shipping. I hate paying for shipping, and if I can lower it as much as possible for my customers on eBay, then I will, because that just, I don't know, it just makes me feel better if I just lower it. All right, so the total profit after $263, and the shipping cost was $93, so $263 minus $93 equals $170 is how much we have for profit, which is actually really good. I know last month was $100, and then I think in the month before that, I think we were around the $100 as well, like around this area as well. I'm not sure, but I will link all of my eBay stuff at the end of this video, so maybe you can catch up, see how I did, if I'm going up, if I'm going down, anything like that. So after $170, we do have to put aside taxes. Now, I do put aside taxes for eBay and for YouTube. So my taxes is going to be 20% of $170. So $170 times 20% is going to be $34 is how much we are going to be putting towards taxes. Now, when we subtract 170 minus 34, so that's going to leave us with $136 to work with. Now, I'm going to go ahead and write all of this out, just so as soon as we're done writing it out, we can go and stuff this. So the money challenge, I am going to be putting some money towards the money challenge, and we are going to be putting one $10 bill so we can, you know, try to get the $10 challenge finished and done with. Vacation is going to be getting $50. eBay, we're going to be putting back $20 back. So that is going to be either for yard sale. I'm probably going to make a, buy some bubble wrap or anything like that. Debt is going to be getting $20. And I have not, I don't think I put in, I don't think I paid for it yet, so I'm going to have to check. This debt is actually going to be going towards my student loan that I started at $520, and I'm at, I want to say it's at $390 right now, so that is completely awesome. Medical is going to be getting $5. Car maintenance is going to get $5. Savings is going to get $20. Rewards is going to get $1. Home is going to be getting $1. Pretty much everything else is going to be getting $1. Dobby's getting $1. Christmas is getting $1. Special is getting $1 and beauty is getting $1. So that is where everything is going to be at. So after 136, let's see if all of this matches $136. So we have 10, 50, 20, 20, 5, 5, 20, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So $136. And that is the layout for the eBay. So that is how much we put in. So just a little recap before we start stuffing. The total was $263. The shipping cost me $93 last month. And then we made a profit of $170. So taxes, we're going to be taking 20% and it's going to be $34. So we are going to go ahead and put it in our, it says YouTube taxes, but it's pretty much any taxes. So we're going to take $34 and go ahead and put that away. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hopefully I will be getting a YouTube paycheck soon. I think I was almost at the threshold, which is going to be great. So we're just waiting on that. Uh-oh. Let's do this. Well, I have 250s now, so. Okay, so right now we have 50, 50, 100, 20, 40, 50, 55, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, and 65. So $165 is going to be going towards YouTube taxes. So that is great. $10 is going to be going towards the money challenges. So that is just going to be set aside. Next is going to be eBay, and eBay is going to be getting $20, and that $20 is going to be set aside and put in my wallet as well. Next is going to be debt, and debt is going to be getting a $20 bill. So that is going to be set aside as well. And I totally missed vacation, but we are going to be going back to it. So let's go ahead and get our envelopes ready. So medical is going to be getting $5. We have 100, 20, 25, 26, 27, and 28. So $128. Car maintenance is going to be getting $5 as well. So we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 95, and 1. So that's $96. Vacation is going to be getting $50. So let's do 500. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 20, 40, 60, 80, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Plus 910 will equals to $1,410 is how much we have for vacation, which is awesome. I'm going to have to get in touch with my travel agent, deposit this money, and we will be ready to make another payment. So that's awesome, $1,410. Let's see. We already did savings. Let's see. Renewal, which I'm going to skip renewals because I actually just did my car, and oh my gosh, you guys, my tag, my registration, it was $300. I kind of freaked out, so I kind of emptied all of the renewal, and it was only like $136, so I had to put the rest on my debit card. So yeah, it was a really sad day today. Home is going to be getting $1, 120, 30, and 31, so $131. Dobby is getting $1. And I think he has a groomers coming up as well for a de-shedding. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 20, 40, 60, 80, 80 plus 13. We have $93. Christmas is getting $1. So we have 20, 25, 30, 31, 32, and 33. Plus we have $5 on the Ibotta, so $533. I need to show y'all my Ibotta account, like for real. Like it's amazing. I have a $658 or something like that. And then anything over $500 is going to be going towards Disney. Special occasion is getting $1. 20, 25, and 26. Beauty is getting $1 as well. 20, 40, 45, and 46. And renewal is getting I don't think I put savings. Maybe I didn't put savings yet. It's going to be getting $1, and we only have $1. So let's backtrack, because I think I missed savings. Because I did the money challenge, because the $10 is right here. I did eBay, which eBay is right here. And then I did debt, which debt is right here. So we put savings. So savings is going to get the rest, which is $20. So 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And we are going to put this in the miscellaneous, which honestly, I'm probably just going to transfer $20 to my debit card and just keep this and then use this for the challenges next week. It makes more sense because I already have the money in the bank. So I'm probably just going to transfer that. Same goes for the $20 in debt. I'm probably just going to make a payment, and then so I don't have to, deposit this money. I could just make a payment on the debit card and then put this towards the money challenge as well. So that is the plan. All right, you guys. So that is it. This is our eBay income for May of 2022. Not May, June of 2022. Start of July, usually I stop the eBay income, I think a week or two prior to it ending. So maybe like a week. And I've already sold 3 items. I've already sold 3 items, I think. And then I just sold something else today. So I'm going to go and package that up as well and ship that out tomorrow before the holiday rolls out and everything like that. But anyways, I hope y'all enjoy this video. Let me know down below if you enjoy these eBay income, any of my side hustle incomes. If you would like to see more of these, just let me know. And I will see you guys on Tuesday for a money challenge, and then next Saturday again for a stuffing video because we get paid. But anyways, love you guys, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.